Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T. Off the leash, I feel like a dog. I get hella free. Keep it P. Never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make a baby clean. Boost your self-esteem. I get top in the morning, so I feel like baby king. Voice is black, step on something, so I dress like baby D. Bitch, I'm cold, pussy awesome, that you know it's giving creep. I got hoes when there's not enough, come build a nigga team. I need chips, I tell that nigga funky like a baby carry.
Hey y'all, welcome to another vlog. I just wanted to come on here and really let y'all know that this vlog is gonna be kind of all over the place. It's going to get a little hectic, even though I started it off slow because I wanted to warm y'all up into the vlog. Because yeah, it's just about to get wild, but it's a good one. So make sure y'all stay and watch all the way to the end, and I'm gonna see y'all at the end. So before we get deep into the video, I do want to let y'all know that Dossier sponsored this video. They sent me 6 different fragrances, and as y'all see in the video, these are all the fragrances they sent me. Dossier is one of the best perfume companies I ever worked with, and you can find them in Walmart now, so make sure y'all go check them out. And y'all can try some of these scents that I tried, because I'm telling you, the ones I got are amazing. So yeah, let's get into this. Today is Saturday, June the 3rd. I hope today is that day, but so today is Saturday, June the 3rd, and I'm coming to introduce this vlog because today is about to be, right now, as y'all see, I don't got no wig on. I got this cap on, and I threw on some clothes because I'm about to head out the house. I was kind of in a rush. I was supposed to do my hair, but I didn't have time. So basically what I'm about to do is me and my brother is about to take my mom to get her first tattoo. She called around and she found this place, and we just gonna go there and get her the tattoo. She drew out the type of tattoo she want and the type of font she may want. And yeah, this is her Mother's Day gift because she wanted this for Mother's Day, but we couldn't find a tattoo artist like right away, so we end up just now finding one. So we about to see how this goes. Before y'all do anything, make sure y'all go follow my Instagram, go follow all my socials. I'm gonna put them down below. Make sure y'all go do that. I think it's about to be hilarious. It's gonna be her first tattoo, and I'm trying to debate, do I want to get something while I'm here? I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all watch to the end because it's gonna be funny. I'm telling you, I know it's about to be funny. It's about to be hilarious. I hate I had to come on camera looking like this, but it is what it is.
You know, we dropping them off.
I don't think so.
Did you?
I mean, so right now we're going to drop this little one off. Say hey to the camera.
Hey.
And then here's the culprit, who's getting her very first tattoo. Late to the party.
And what's tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Sunday.
Huh?
Tomorrow is Sunday.
I almost collapsed.
Just give me. Play Michael Jackson.
What's that?
Cause I already know you don't know nothing about love. Trust is subject, and I know you could do better, baby.
So we're out here trying to find the building. We might have to go upstairs, maybe? Shock treatments. Maybe it's on the other one. Or is it a whole nother side? Oh. That's it.
Ever since I was a youngin', I've been known for having that strong. Yeah, Ty brought that up last night, boy. Ty pulled up. Take a deep breath.
Make sure you breathing. Don't stop breathing. It ain't that bad.
Tolerable?
Yeah.
I got sensitive skin.
I mean, that's what happens when you get older. So I didn't want to bring out my camera because I had to sneak and record a little bit.
I don't think he really cared.
Yeah.
Actually, if I had an accident.
The thing said, just don't record the wall.
Maybe so nobody get his tattoo ideas. I don't know. But let's see it Oh yeah, let's come in the sun.
Ooh, the sun gonna make it burn.
It's covered up. Hold your arm that way. Can we see? I don't know if it's showing. That was this part of the vlog. I don't know when I'm gonna be back, but if this is the end, I'll see y'all in my next video. But if not, I will see y'all in the next clip. Mama wanted me to record you.
Record me for what?
To see if you was surprised.
Oh, nah.
You knew?
I mean, I know we had to drive all the way out here.
I was thinking that.
So now then we had to go get stuff. Thank you. 22.
Everybody say happy birthday, Jordan.
Happy birthday, Jordan. Happy birthday, Jordan.
You supposed to say happy birthday.
I already did.
Okay.
What you drinking? Come on.
Hold on, wait. Everybody say happy birthday, Jordan.
Happy birthday, Jordan. Happy birthday, Jordan. Happy birthday, Jordan.
I forgot it's upstairs. Wait. Oh yeah, put it right here. Y'all drop y'all right there.
Our shit already dropped.
Ours is too.
Hey, y'all got something to like? Good. You might well grab the most.
Yeah. Oh shit. I said we got here. So we turned up, we lit on the boat. We in the yams with it. I'm ready to take my next shot now. Y'all already know what I'm on. Yeah. Shake that ass, bitch, or I'ma shoot you. Wait, let me use her shirt real quick. There's everybody over here. Yeah, they did that so they can stay together. I'll take a shot. Oh, cheers. We got two bucks actually.
Take a shot. Oh, shit.
Hey, we go.
You can't jump in. Oh, she jumping in. Oh, I'm be flat up though. I don't know who driving.
Looking for me, I was stuck in the streets.
Y'all want some motion? Y'all straight with the Casamigos.
Casa, we sure gonna do it every time.
She got the clappers down. She got the clappers down.
Over so I keep my guard up. Blue Ferrari got two motors. Get I remember shining, run it up, just had to charge up.
We know, we got that. We know. Okay. You already knew. We gotta try to get on top. They gotta try to flip that hole. Oh, there we go. Watch out, get from under it, get from under it. Try to push it, try to push it. Where KJ at? Just flipping. It's floating. You good, Gabe? You good? I was out here dolo pulling that shit.
I gotta feed the streets. My pistol gon' bleed the streets. Ski mask on my face. Sometimes you gotta cheat to stay ahead in this picture. Drink serve like it's liquor. Street life will have you catching up to God quicker. Sticker, AK-40 to your lipper. Let the chopper bang on you like a blood or a